Kitchen 15 paving. My wife accidentally gave birth to octuplets. Mother-in-law and mother-in-law come home to take care of the elderly and homework at the same time. The two mothers complained that the kitchen was too bad to use and the bottom was too hygienic to clean. The two mothers thought about it when they didn't agree. It's better to change the sliding door without opening it, so that two people can enter and exit at the same time. The space was too crowded, and the wife kicked down the sliding doors and the sides were very heavy. On both sides of the wall, through-topped wine cabinets are filled with various famous wines and teas from mother-in-law and mother-in-law. Install sliding doors on the top of the reserve hanging rail track. Close the wine cabinet door and open the kitchen door to isolate the oil fume. Second, when the door is not installed, the space with small tiles is not whole, but the restaurant's glossy tiles are transparent, the space is more open, and the sweeping robot can enter and exit freely. Third, the wooden cabinet is easy to mold and rot in water, and the formaldehyde seriously exceeds the standard. Instead, the diamond cabinet is used as the frame, which is super strong and not afraid of water. The key is no formaldehyde. It is not convenient to take a right-angle cabinet without a four-corner cabinet, but a rotating bar for a five-corner cabinet. All the pots, pans and spoons commonly used at home are put down, and it is really convenient to rotate and hold the stick. The key is to increase the countertop operation area. Diligent husband cuts vegetables and prepares meals, super spacious. 5 double-slot vegetable wash basins are not installed. Every time my husband brushes the bowl, wash the lid, and install a large single-pot iron pot. You can turn somersaults in it. Remember not to make above-stage pots, but under-stage pots. Countertop trash. First, cleaning. Husband cleaning is easier. 6. No window sills. The countertops extend more spacious and diligent. It is more convenient for my husband to wash dishes and vegetables every day. 7. Do not install this kind of right-angle water retaining strip. The corners of the oil stains are difficult to wipe, but use an arc-shaped integrated water retaining strip, which is more hygienic and clean. If you don't install a wall cabinet that is too high, it's really embarrassing for a wife of 1.5 meters to take things. The key is not to meet, but to make a stepped two-story cabinet. The bottles and cans on the countertop are all put down, which frees up the countertop space. The 9 operating areas are mostly oil-polluted areas with wall tiles, but they are paved with large slabs, which are easy to scrub. The key is high appearance value. Remember to install an integrated stove to smoke better and save space. Remember to install a light bar at the bottom so that the husband can better use his cooking skills and his wife is full of happiness. 10 sockets no longer use ordinary sockets, and they have to be unplugged if they are not of high value. Instead, they are embedded with track sockets, which can be increased or decreased infinitely. The key is that it is more convenient to bring a switch. 11. Do not install laminate cabinet doors. Bend over to take things and rummage through the cabinets, but make lazy drawers so that they can be easily picked up.